Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel at ngayon po ay gagawa tayo ng pork Shanghai. Ito po ang ating mga ricado, kalahating kilong ground pork. Nilagyan natin ng powdered garlic. We have garlic and then onions. We have carrots, black pepper, salt. At ihalo-halo lang po natin yan. So pag nahalo na natin, ready na po tayo na magbabalot. Napakaganda ng nabili naming wrapper kasi bagong luto, mainit-init pa guys. So ito po, nakagawa po tayo sa kalahating kilong ground pork. We have 100 pieces of pork Shanghai. So napakasarap na naman po yan dahil hindi tinipid sa ricado at makarne. So ayan po guys, for today's shout out, we have Mary Jane Arapi Ordaneta in China. So napakaganda na. At higit sa lahat, mabait, masipag, ayan, makinis, at napaka-sexy pa, o diba? And for today's verse, we have Ecclesiastes 3:12. I know that there is nothing better for people than to be happy and to do good while they live. Maraming salamat po sa palaging pag-support sa aking mga videos. Thanks for the love by supporting my FB page and my YouTube channel.